Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Arianne Styllz, and we are back with a hair finesse. Today's unit is from TINASHEHAIR.com. This is a 16 inches looking like 20 inches. This is a 5x5 lace closure. So if you want to see how I got this look put all together, then just keep on watching.
Okay, so as always, I'm starting out this install by just doing a light pluck, and I've already, lightly bleached the knots. This unit did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, but I like to add a little something to it on my own. Then I'm going in with my hot comb to just, define my parting, ensure the top is flat. Because with closures, if you don't do that, you may get a hump. I already have a hump head, so I have to use my hot comb for that reason. And then I'm going in with this serum, which also acts as a light heat protectant. Today for this unit, I'll be adding some wand curls. I'm using my very faithful wand curler by Remington, and you can find this on Amazon. I'll link it down below. But yeah, I'm just adding in some curls, and this did take the longest for me to style, but you can use a curling iron or whatever to just add some light waves because the hair is already wavy. So that's what I did for the styling, and then we will get into this install. Now for the install, again, this is a 5x5 lace closure. This is 16 inches, but I kid you not, this unit looks like 20 inches. Like the length is there, the lace is amazing, all of that good stuff, and the curls are looking bomb. Like you could wear the curls like this, but you'll see towards the end of the video that I did go ahead and comb the curls out a little bit. And as usual, I'm using my Got2b spray to do my install. I'll just be finessing this hair using the Got2b spray. Then I'll be using the tension method to secure the unit a lot more. I'm trying to also add a little baby hair. I didn't really love it, but I'm gonna reinstall this unit and do a few things differently. But other than that, the unit is bomb. I would also cut off some more of the lace from the front because it does have a longer lace towards the front of it, which I think is good for everybody. But for me, if I was to reinstall this unit again, I will ensure to cut off some more of the lace from the front so it's not so much on my forehead. But other than that, the unit is bomb. Again, this is from Tinashe, and I'm using the band that came in my package. Yeah, I actually really love this unit. So as you can see, I'm just going in with my foundation to ensure that everything is blending, because I did do my makeup while I had the scarf on. So that line of demarcation that you're seeing, it is not that I didn't put makeup there. It's honestly just the line because I tied the band a little bit too tight. Besides the styling that I would, style it a different way, this unit is looking amazing. I really hope you guys enjoy it as well. I'll link everything down below. Again, this is from TINASHEHAIR.com. Everything, the specs and all that is in the links, and I'll see you towards the end of this video.
This might be my holiday hairstyle. So yeah, I'm loving this unit. Everything will be linked in the description box below. I'll also put the specs here on the screen for you. go ahead and shop the link in the description box below. Also, before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave comments and let me know if you're feeling this unit as much as I am feeling this unit. And again, thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!